Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to everyone. I am Suraj Ahmed and today I am gonna introduce you about Union Council Dilburi. Union Council Dilburi is a lush green, beautiful valley of Tehsil Oghi district Mansehra. On the northern side, it touches district Batgram at Pirpatta, Birbat, Kandau, linked with district Batgram and district Torva. Languages mostly spoken here are Pashto, Henko and Gujri. Top educated villages are Bagniya and Khabal. People of almost all fields and professions are found here. Bagniya and Khabal are well known for teachers, Dilbori and Chinarkot for Hufaz-e-Karam, Ulama-e-Karam, drivers and tailors. While Ghania and Jishkot are unique for services in Pak Armed Forces, Birbat, Bata and surrounding area for transporters. Dilburi is popular for fast-blowing wind in winter season. This valley is provided with two government high schools, GHS Khabal and GHS Dilburi, National Bank Branch Dilburi, Post Office Dilburi, Basic Health Unit Dilburi, FC Fort in Birbat Kandau and Land Record Office Dilburi. Cricket is played in almost every village, while traditional and seasonal games of this valley are Guli Danda, Kabaddi, Pittu Garam, Bilor, Bandar Kila, Langota, Chupan Chupai, and girls of this area mostly play Chentu and Gitian. The most highlighted cricket tournament of Union Council Dalbori was DSL, means Dilburi Super League so far. Religious, traditional festivals and special occasions are celebrated with great pomp and show. This area is abundant in natural beauty, natural talent and produce highly qualified personalities who serve the nation in almost every field of the life. At the end, I should say Union Council Dalbori Zindabad. This video is prepared and managed by Suraj Ahmed, the voice of the English commentary. And at the end of this video, a special thanks to Mr. Obaidur Rahman.